Meaning of fisherman.
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 Fisherman. A fisherman is a person who catches fish, typically for food. They may use various methods, such as fishing nets, fishing rods, or traps, and may work as individuals or in groups. Fishing can be done in a variety of environments, such as rivers, lakes, oceans, or even small ponds. It is an important industry in many coastal areas and can also be a popular recreational activity. Fishermen often have a deep knowledge of the fish they catch, including their habits, habitats, and migration patterns.